I'm Albert from Hong Kong. First of all, I would say this related training course is beyond my expectations. First of all, I did attend several music healing sections. However, it's my very first time attending a very organized a 2-day workshop covering the initiation or the beginner level music singing bowl, which cover way more than just conceptual ideas of how music bowl help to healing people, but also a very systematic, scientific-based methodologies. So how we know how music bowl work, what is different type of music bowl. So also with a great support of the assistant team, good quality of the instruments, duration, also snacks. I'm quite enjoying this remarkable experience. Overall, I would say I'm quite enjoying of this class because besides singing bowl, we also get a chance to have access to other different instruments, which supplementing the bowl in healing or helping to deliver therapies. So yeah, I did enjoy this course very much. Thank you.